welcome to our first virtual assembly of the school year. We just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's happening this week.
Last week was definitely an adjustment for all of us. As student government, it's important that we have your feedback on how we can make online learning a better experience for you. Please reach out to us using the community reporting form that's found in the newsletter to let us know your thoughts.
Also, thanks to everyone who reached out to me with your questions about clubs. And just to clear some of them up, clubs will have the opportunity to advertise themselves until September 4th, but clubs who haven't been approved yet cannot advertise. Around that time, we will be sending out forms for y'all to sign up for clubs, so you don't have access to that form yet. Clubs are starting on the 11th of September, and all clubs are virtual until October 3rd at the very least. Make sure to fill out the renewal and the club application forms as soon as possible, since they're both due by August 28th at 5 p.m.
Also, just a quick reminder that the Judicial Committee application is open for any of those who are interested to apply. And furthermore, the ad drop period starts today, so make sure to watch the video in the newsletter for more details on how to change your classes.
Next up, your grade level representatives are going to quickly introduce themselves, and please don't hesitate to reach out to them if you have any questions or concerns.
Hi guys, we are your 9th grade class representatives. I'm Solome.
I'm Ouija.
I'm Harry.
So our job as 9th grade representatives is to represent you and make sure that your concerns, your opinions, your wants, your desires, your needs, all of that is communicated with the administration so that we can try to resolve some of your concerns. So we will also be working with our grade level leader, Miss Goodwin.
Hey guys, my name is Caroline.
My name is Jay.
And my name's Kahani.
And we're your 10th grade reps for this school year, so feel free to talk to us anytime.
Not only can you reach out to us, but also our grade level leader, Dr. Walker.
Hi everyone, I'm Isha.
I'm Thomas. And I'm Connor, and we are your 11th grade class representatives.
Everyone, my name is Izam Ben Nasser, and I'm a senior class rep.
Hi, I'm Kylie Gunn, and I'm one of the other senior class reps.
Hi guys, I'm Raymond, and I'm one of the senior rep as well.
Hi guys, I'm Mr. Ostergren. I am the grade level leader for the 12th grade class.
Hello seniors, we're going to have our first online movie night through Zoom. If you haven't voted for the movie already, make sure to do so. It's going to be this Friday, August 21. Look out for more information coming soon.
Hey y'all, my name is Dhruv and I'm the Secretary General of VHS Model United Nations.
Hey everyone, I'm Maria and I'm one of our Undersecretary Generals of our club.
Hi everybody, my name's Ani and I'm also an Undersecretary General.
Some of y'all may be wondering what MUN is to begin with. Model UN is a student simulation of the United Nations where delegates are assigned countries to debate topics of global importance. More than learning about different countries and problems that the world faces today, MUN also gives students an opportunity to become better speakers and researchers.
Members of our club have traveled all over the world to participate in conferences, going to places like Qatar, China, Canada, and New York, while also attending local conferences in Houston and Austin. Our club has been ranked as one of the top 20 MUN teams in all of North America, and we can't wait to see where VHS goes this year.
Whether you're looking to debate, become more confident with your public speaking, find a platform to speak about important issues, or just have fun, MUN is definitely the club for you. We're holding tryouts this weekend on Saturday the 22nd and Sunday the 23rd. Check your email for more information, and as always, please feel free to reach out to any of us with any questions you may have.
Our club is an extremely close-knit community, and we can't wait to see y'all at tryouts and welcome you to the club.
Hello and welcome, Vikings. We are the house captains for the 2020 and 2021 school year, and we wanted to say hi and introduce ourselves. My name is Ryan Kunu, and I am the captain of the best house and the most fabulous house, Valkyrie.
Hey guys, I'm Solon and I'm the other captain of Valkyrie House, which is obviously the best house.
Hi everyone, I'm Anu Srinivasan and I'm captain of the best house in the school, Odin House.
Hey y'all, I'm Varun and I'm captain of Odin House, the undoubtedly best house in school.
Hey guys, I'm Z, your captain of Thor House. I know these guys are just talking, but Thor is actually the best house.
Hello guys, I'm Mauricio, and do not listen to them. The best house in here in Village is Valhalla, so I'm the house captain for Valhalla.
Hey y'all, my name is Dhruv Salagram, and I'm the captain of undoubtedly the best house, Dragon House. I mean, we got red, we got dragons. What more could you ask for?
Hello, I'm Omar, and I am the captain of, as Drew said, the best house in the school, Dragon House.
Hey guys, I'm Sammy. I'm the captain of Scald, which is by far the best house in the school.
Hey guys, I'm Caroline Shu, and I'm the captain of the best house in the entire world, Tier House.
Hi guys, I'm Kylie Gunn, and you're probably getting tired of hearing this, but I'm captain of the actual best house, Vor.
They always say the best house for last, and I'm the other captain of War, Jennifer. Also, for new students, please be on the lookout for your house invitation in your email. Your house leaders will be sending this to you this week.
Also, if you're still interested in joining house leadership, we will have some seats open, so please contact your house captain for more information. We look forward to a great year with you.
See you soon, Vikings!
Want to be a leader of the best house? Just check your student newsletter and fill in the application so you can be a part of the best house.
Thank you all for attending our first virtual assembly of the school year. Have a great rest of your day, and don't forget to take a break from the screen.
Don't forget, you can always reach out to our student government vanguard, your student government representatives, your grade level leader, the learning specialist, social emotional counselor, ELL coordinator, and then Ms. Thomas, Ms. Conroy, your college counselors, and follow us on our Village StuGov Instagram. And don't forget to wash your hands. Have a great day, Vikings.